Welcome to City Grilling. My name is Rob Vore. Hey, in this episode, it's really cold outside. Yes, I could grill this outside. Love to do it outside. I probably will sometime. But I'm going to do it inside a General Tso's air fried chicken, right? So here's what I have. I have some cornstarch in here with salt and pepper in it. And I have some chicken thighs that I've already cut up, ready to go. It's been marinating for at least an hour. In a soy sauce and sesame oil and some rice wine vinegar, or no wait, rice wine, I think, and also what else? There's another secret ingredient there. I don't remember. But anyways, the recipe's gonna be out here. You can get it. So here's how you do this. You grab, oh, there's some egg in here too, right? Some egg whites, not the egg. So here's how you do this. You grab some of this, get the liquid off of it, right? Then bring it into your cornstarch, like so, just like that, and just kind of fluff it up. Get any excess cornstarch off. We're gonna put it onto my air fryer right here, just like so. And I'm gonna do the rest of these. It's gonna take maybe 1 or 2 batches to get this done, but put that on there like so. Put it on there, and then we're gonna cook these, all right? Okay, I've got the chicken ready. I'm gonna do several batches probably because I got 3 pounds of chicken, so it's a lot of chicken to cook. So I have it ready in the air fryer here. I'm just gonna slide this in and turn it on, of course. Every air fryer is different. I'm gonna do, of course, air fry, and I'm gonna change it to, I'm gonna do 10 minutes. It'll probably take 15 minutes. And I want a temperature of 360 degrees, and start it and let it go like that. Okay, while the chicken's air frying, I'm gonna work up some vegetables. I like vegetables in mine. I have some onions and broccoli and some portobello mushrooms. So I'm just gonna pour this into this pan and basically stir fry it up a bit. Cook them a little bit. Goes in there, just to get those ready. And then once the chicken's ready, I'll get the sauce ready too, and bam, it's gonna cook fast. All right, here's the fun part, right? We got the chicken already done. I have it ready to go here. I have my mushrooms and onions and broccoli. They're all ready to go. Here's the fun part. You're gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna pour the chicken in that I have in here. Mixes up a little bit. Hope you have a large wok-like type pan, just like I have right here, right? Make sure that all gets mixed together. It's gonna be tricky here. I don't want to spill anything. I've got this on a nice high heat to make sure it stays plenty hot. And here's the key right now. I am gonna bring in the sauce. Here's the General Tso's sauce. We're gonna coat that in there just like so. Oh, fresh garlic. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, it smells so good. You can't believe the smell of this. So just go like that. Actually, I'll just use that. I got some nice good peppers in there, dried peppers that I put in. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I can't wait to eat. Again, I got this on a high heat here because I want that sauce in here to thicken up a bit. Right, so we use cornstarch on the chicken. There's a little bit of cornstarch in the sauce itself. And the chicken is gonna taste really good with this sauce. And just keep it going warm right now. And get ready to plate it up with some rice here in just a second. Just gonna keep stirring this until it's nice and thick. Oh, that smells, you wouldn't believe the smell here. It's so good with that fresh garlic. Gotta have fresh garlic. That's what makes the dish the best. Okay, I have the General Tso's chicken ready to go. I put it on some white rice here. I can't even say it right. Gosh, I want to take a bite of it, but look at the steam. It's hot. I know it's ready to go. I'm just gonna take some flavor here. Delicious. You know, I use brown sugar in this recipe instead of regular sugar. Just a little trick there in case you want to do it. Oh, it's spicy, it's hot, delicious. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com. See you soon.